Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 900 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular waterfront estate with a main house, a guest carriage house, an outbuilding, a permanent dock and boathouse. So let's take a tour.
Enjoy the luxurious waterfront lifestyle with a classic tradition, featuring a cathedral ceiling designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and a wall of windows with porch access, and breathtaking views. Leading to a formal dining room with access to a second wraparound porch, and an expansive living room with a picture window, all with rare cucumber trim, pine wood floors, and panoramic lake views. The first floor also features an office with built-ins, a powder room, and a traditional sitting room or potential first floor bedroom.
The second floor features the spacious master bedroom, plus 2 other bedrooms with lake views and a spa bathroom. While the third floor provides 3 additional bedrooms and space for a potential bathroom, you could certainly accommodate all your family and friends, all with those stunning lake views. This waterfront Victorian gem features stunning architectural detailing and beautiful landscaping, with many gardens on over 9 acres overlooking the lake.
This carriage house has it all, featuring a guest suite with a sleeping area, full bathroom, a white and bright kitchen, and an expansive waterfront deck. An upstairs bonus room with cathedral ceilings and a powder room, plus a 3-car garage.
This outbuilding is just fantastic, with room to store a boat, Class A motor coach, or up to 12 cars.
This is Canandaigua Lake at its best, with 300 feet of shale beach, a permanent dock and boathouse, and breathtaking views of Bear Hill.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 900 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate. the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.